geography next class le chithagadaba asigi unit aloi ba hai tare actually unit 10 cha aloi dinate unit 11 lei but unit 11 se kun map study ki matang da map work ki matang da ni aduna parao ta ka da se akoi aloi ko na unit 10 ma ani oiba metric exam ma ida hamba Manipur resources and development haiba unit ase ai ngasi hojage mamanga ai unit 9 lo sinjakhabani. Okay, in this unit Manipur resources and development have a unit asida kari ne nagani haba matamda ngasi pawa unit 1 dai horaga 9 hobda akoi nena duna lai se we are only studying about India, mainland India. Magoina India kagi lebak lehau umang wamang lamdaki sao check minerals everything about India name. But in this very unit 10 we are going to discuss about Manipur only. Manipur di khatagi matang nei nagani Manipur resources sing amasung madigi chawth thorang matang nei nagani sigi topic asida sigi unit asida hai tare. Okay, then let me start the unit I order again. Ahanbada Manipur resources and development nei nabada Manipur gi natural resources ama malu ena nei nagani Manipur gi natural resources or soil. It's a very important topic, and in previous metric exam many questions were asked from this topic. Soil level lehau matang Manipur level lehau matang da nei nagani masida sarna nakona khanganing ba question ama khaklai adum tangai han ijarake aduga sum I discuss tawjarake. The question was asked in 2015 SSLC exam. I asami ni irake ko kaya kanda question is write the difference between residual and transported soil of Manipur. Manipur gi residual soil amasung transported soil haiba soil makal ani se masi difference masi khenaba tau iu haibani asmaina na ta 2015 da sigi mo chakmana na asmaina hanju dinate adu Manipur 2 major soil lai haiba major soil madu ani na khaiba major soil makal se amana kari kaweba sida amana residual soil haiba ma transported soil haiba lai haiba ani gi differentiate taw haiba khenaba taw haiba alli aina residual soil transported soil khenaba taksage mahiroi singna first paragraph ki third line of being view residual soil ke ek point hana hajarake residual soils occur in the hill while transported soil are found in the central valley and Barak basin. Okay, see residual soil point am yaure sida transported soil point am yaure ko residual soil is ching da phangba aikoina Manipur da ching leiba kana khangariba leiba lehau guni residual soil is ching da phangi haire armai difference view habina asai transported soil na tampak da phangi haire valley Imphal valley amasung aikoi gi leiba tampak ki district sing sida phangba leiba lehau sina kari kaureba transported soil haire nare ching da phangba sina residual soil. So you got one different ama phangi adu sila mark anina is akoina wedawni point ani bina policy adu gi pari macam tang kalaga makhada sunna yawbani adu so underline to bibi yagani. In the hilly region the soils are shallow, usually 1.5 to 2.1 meter thick hairaga pari macam tang kalaga asmani samjak bibi yagani. In the central plain the soil are of considerable thickness varying from 107 to 152 meters. Now, ani shubo point na kasai residual soil jing da phangin haiba leiba le house ya magi thabi chang man biye magi thabi chang chi kya biba 1.5 tagi 2.1 meter thai adu na sai transported soil haiba tampak ta valley da phangin plain area da Manipur gi valley district chi da phangin haiba leiba le house gi thabi chang biye mana muka 107 tagi 152 meters thai adu icha something koi tazi okay point se khangto la mo si difference se apu down 15 dan actually mana chamana si aina injury ko mo che chamana bidnate Manipur gi two major soil do kari no o ko si kadai da bagi difference ki u ha ko la ma hang ki ni chamana same meaning residual soil la phangba se chingda transported soil la tapaka Residual soil की था चांग की है, transported soil की था चांग की है. That's all. सीधा ले ले वही difference. Okay. Now makata na nasai की residual soil का सीधी high बा सीधा आई जितना table data हम समझ रखे nasai Manipur ले बस soil से. मगर आई तो ना खाई ले है बनी सीधा high की वजह करी है बा residual है बा आई असम जैसे भी रखे transported है बा खाई तो ये है बनी बा. Nasai residual soil का transported soil कैसे अमुक तो ani नहीं तो ना खाई ले है बा amana kay kawe red soil na kanare amana laterite soil na kanare ngasai ni sige residual soil ki khaitoro pase red soil ga laterite soil aduga transported soil ga dai su subdivide tawre ani thona divide tawre man kari tawre ba hai se all alluvium hai all alluvium hai ba ma new alluvium hai ba ya mai roshi ni yu ta sida आई अमतंगा ताकत है मणिपुर में सोइल मक्खल से अनि थोना मेजर टाइप से रेसिडुअल सोइल ट्रांसफर मनी ने सोइल सोला के इजदरे सुसम ने इजरा बनी रेसिडुअल सोइल का ट्रांसपोर्टेड सोइल सी रेसिडुअल सोइल से हमको मक्खनी पेरेगा अनि थोना खदो का कोई उड़नी रेड सोइल लेटराइट सोइल अदुगा हमको अरुल पेरेगा ट्रांसपोर्टेड सोइल से हमको सही थोना खदे करे है बा और एलुवियम एलुवियम है मा यू एलुवियम अनोबल ani si manung sida si ani si difference है all alluvium का new alluvium की difference है EU है si am ban है red laterite si not so important yang kan important कोई दे अदो so ai hai tang hai jar के na sai residual से ani थोड़ा खाइदो है बस ai wari wena so hai red so जे कदा फंगी है मतलब दा मा से चिंगी लमदी ओइ गनी चिंगी लमदी ओइ गनी है पर ना sai residual से कई है कि बा हिल लाई चिंग दा है अदो चिंग दे खाइदो पर चिंग दे ओइ गनी ani mak aduga mani red so kadai pangi ching oi adu moderate rainfall area ching oi jaraga su chang amada nong chuba mafam da manipur ki chang amada nong chuba mafam da hilly area singa you can find red soil. Now laterite soil nam ke dogani ching oi ni manipur ki ching di lam da oi ni but from area da heavy rainfall area nong ka chuba mafam example ina hajo habitat manipur ki Tamenglong site because Tamenglong has the highest rainfall area in Manipur. Manipur da khai yang nong chu se Tamenglong ne makoi sidal phangba la ba house na laterite adu sidai ko sidai bizar roige so not so important in a site hijack kabuduni but here now in the third paragraph I am going to give a very beautiful question so first you write down the question. This is also 2 marks. Okay, let me read out the question again. I'm going to question to pass it again. Differentiability happening in relation to ni can have tau have ko. Kana nai can have tau have leba the all alluvium have leba the house ga and the new alluvium have leba the house gi mani pura khamba ani sigi leba ko ani sigi difference tau have ne. Kali mo question is mana hanatra ga su ai ngasa haja diba. Manipur da laiba transported soil se ani thona khaiduri hai kari mami kaubagi makoi khena ba iu ga na koi na hange khala se adu su mai roi se khangbiyo na sai na table le yek jek transported soil se all alluvium new alluvium khaido ko tanya adu ya koi ji ne doi se kai ne ne ba all alluvium hai ba le house ga new alluvium hai ba le house gi difference khena ba ne ko. Okay, then look at the third paragraph. Third paragraph da as soon as we underline the video answer se yang marik chuna phajna yaw rabani. Transported soils are also divided into 2 types, all alluvium and new alluvium. Now all alluvium ki point ko hana rakhe se all alluvium soils are found in the Barak basin covering an area of about 300 square kilometer. Now all alluvium have got all alluvium na ai da hakata हम नम मरेशना शॉर्टकट इजरम है all alluvium की first point से मरेशना key point में निचिंग का दबसे कई हरता न बारा हर तुरे से निचिंग दियो बारा बेसिन द फंगे मासे क्या हम पाक चाव का नंबर फंगे बा 300 square kilometer अच्छी निचिंग दियो dahil pa all alluvium sa kadai fangge barak tulen yang tadi lepa barak tulen ni apoy bagi mai mapan ni lam sa kita lepa lebat level se all alluvium kawi man kaliba areas na parts of lam sina 300 square kilometer asimple. Now my second point, all alluvium second point is kaya have matabda they are formed masi kamaito on ki bagi have matabda due to the deposition of alluvium brought down by the Bara and Giri river and their tributaries. Masi kamaito on ki bana have matabda maru and Bara and its tributaries and Giri river se. Aina shortcut example ni ko sum like just yaro duni haibadi all alluvium level se mas maru and Bara to ne sumai ki tributaries se mas amarin singna porapa amasung Giri banda cheri maru de Giri to ne singna porapa phata udi kaya se chahi kaya konjil laga haiba all alluvium se on ki formation to ki si point ani se orani akoina all alluvium ki mani ni point ani de ibe daka to like. Now let me tell you the 2 points of the new alluvium. New alluvium point ani tanga haijarake yamu makara sunyawragani. New alluvial sources are confined to the Imphal Valley and covering area of about 1,600 square kilometer. See first point kari nisingani Imphal Valley da Imphal Valley da laiba atuba thamba atu laiba economy mana kali area na 1,600 square kilometer. Asimilate ko Imphal Valley da Imphal Turen jeli ba adudagi magi Imphal Turen makoi ba leba le house masi new alluvium ni magi mana kaliyo pak chau area na 1,600 square kilometer ka. Now my second point na kala riyaw ya bang tamna pari macha tan thadu maga third paragraph in last sentence to adu mutan ching review. These soils are formed due to the deposits of alluvial by the Imphal and its tributaries. Masina kamai to on ki bale second point se Imphal and its tributaries hai. Sinau kari hai ba Imphal Turen amasung mai tributaries sina masamarin singina porko khata uri singina thonjalaga haiba chahi kaya kya tuna new alluvium on ki sida loire mai solid point sing. Now, amtanga mayrosin amtanga concentrate the views from the sade view, bote view, amtanga in mind करके Manipur transported soil do ani thaido ki bani all alluvium haibama new alluvium haiba all alluvium points kari nisingani kok ta nising view ko ide am mai bara to nising view new alluvium na Imphal to nising bara amasung bara akoi bidai ba lam singchida dai ba leba house all alluvium ni 30 square kilometer kali new alluvium ni na Imphal amasung Imphal to ni akoi bidai ba lam jal kham leba house ni 160 square kilometer si masing si mantamti by heart of intare aduga all alluvium na bara amasung Giri amasung mai masamarin singchina porko khato ri singchina konjalaga sediments kya deposit auraga chahi kya on ki bani aduga new alluvium ni Imphal amasung mai tributary signal deposit of asita right point. Now natural sources soil have topic to be away but yam ten na paragraph acham su yaw ni itha thajadana ai koina yam na maru ba din nate but itha thajadana ai 2016 metric by kada yam icham cham question ma hangi adum ta su mahiro da ikam jarange 2016 da su hangi right a short account of the peat soils of the Imphal Valley Asmai 2 marks the question number hangi 2016 da sumasung video write a short account of the peat soil of the Imphal Valley. Sida peat soil hai Manipur da phangba peat soil hai na khangni ba leba house ya masi ki matang da kaita na yu hai ba aduni peat soil ji matang da ai last paragraph my answer ni wela chingcham bi ya gani. Peat soils are found in the low lying area of the Imphal Valley. They cover the swampy and marshy part of the valley and are dark grey in color. They are also known as bog soil. Now, peat soil, say ako na, kadai na pangyayang kada, Manipurgi anem bamapamsing Imphal tampaksigi aputpa anem bamapamsing da chot law swampy and marshy area nong ising tara tungna kuina laiba chot law chabi law leikhom lenang yam laiba adugumba mafamda phamba laiba le hawneba magi machu se murai na machu oi ad masibu picture sibo koina box soil boz box soil hana su khangai senior smani ibu matamda mani that's all about our topic soil natural resources Manipur natural resources soil matangda sida shijare okay then soil have topic se loi matungda Manipur forest have topic amaga laire forest lagi thudopa sana pi question bininga ni laite adubu yam cham question amatanggi aina bijaramge adubu khajitang ai forest matang haijage last part of Manipur is covered by forest. More than 60% of Manipur is covered by forest. 60% ni mathakta Manipur se cover forest na cover dawi Manipur da leba forest mathal mari lai. We have already studied in previous class 9 also. Mathangi mamangi class 9 is naina bada yaw kabani forest mathal mari si mami ai haijarake tropical moist deciduous forest, tropical moist semi-evergreen forest, subtropical deciduous forest, and subtropical evergreen forest. And as my toraga forest mathal mari lagi. Adu si jadi hangai kudun leitre. Adu second paragraph da mama da itunya unit 2 da forest and wildlife resources haiba topic tu da yaw ko forest matani na bada forest mathal ani thona khaidu ki haiba. Airo sine sung sing bi yai chapter number 2 da forest ni matani na matamda administrative point of view gi matungina akoi ahu thona naina ki bani forest set reserve forest, protected forest, and class forest. Admaina Manipur su reserve forest, protected forest, and unclassed forest na khaidoe. Aduda aina jiteng ai haijanamge reserve forest have karama forest makhal no sarkar yam chekchina protect orga mitop changbi adaba. Amasu uaya bi adaba changsalaga sasan hojalaga sajik bi jabi adaba lok chanbi adaba sarkar mi khandam changaga adu product sing se extract tawbi aba. Adugumba forest makhal se yam chekchina sarkar thama forest makhal si buneba ai koina reserve forest haibes. Then protected forest na karama forest makhal no haiba matamda chamani adu su reserve forest tawna ngakhlaga thambuni only difference amadi lai kari difference lai protected forest tadi akakna sarkar specific area kharada akakna piba ayaba piba mafam kharada sarkar ayaba piba mafam kharamada cultivation tawba yabagi lo uba yabagi natraga grazing sasan hoijalaga sajik bijaba yabagi ayaba lai specific area kharada akakna mafam kharada adu reserve forest tadi lai teko asi khena ba malai the unclassed forest asi khaido phum khangna ba forest makhalni amana su hete yanba amana su toni ko si tawba kanana ma bu ebano kanana sena bano akje do na khangda yam phatta ma mathogi forest makhala malai that is for unclassed forest asmana man the forest kara khaidi now third paragraph gi yam icham chamba a very small question a simple question let me give you amta picture ate sida okay, sida hai se yengo mention some of the important major forest products of Manipur hai sida aina major forest products hai major ani maru oi hobi dini Manipur ki maru oi ba umam ki pothok ki mami khara hai ha bani pare major ki mo ta minor na la macha masu umam ki pothok la adu bisu lai adu di ai question visual ri am lai sima tani ha pe ya nge maru oi ba major forest product Manipur ki umang da uthoiba maru umang ki pothok maru eba umang ki pothok mami khara pal haibani forest haba topic to ki third paragraph ki second line de yawrabani the important major forest products are maru umang ki pothok sing di ha tik pami mayam tabi ramani tik and the timber and other timber have sorry achau uzau sing other timber have karam uzau sing have maming do makhagi line sum yawni firewood sing mai thana ba sing ya maru ba product amani and charcoal mai tan tik pambi other timbers firewood and charcoal other timbers have the sentence amani ka laga sumai other timbers have bracket e bi kari kari jaw mami khare e bi Manipur ki Uningthau, pine, khangra, laihau, tolhau, tairen, etc. Asina jingba timber mayam le asi ibi. Asi sinse ai ke dawe ba major forest products ne. Karima question na major ni mo minor ai la. Macha masu mangi pothok khara mami khai wa ha taragadi adugi last line of the yaura lairabani the important minor forest products are cane, lee, tessing grass, yumkup naba e do, tessing grass bamboo, cardamom, elaichi, agar, cinnamon, and broom. Cinnamon sida hai singsani, broom guys sunchitni, makoi singchina minor forest products alakre. And that's all about topic forest. Forest topic question jare. Okay, ngasi ko yahi ai geography classes fa losinjarage ai losilakpa khudinge class losilakpa khudingi quotation macam tang bijabado ai losin quotation macam tang bijaramge. It does not matter how slowly you go until you do not stop. Ngasi ke dua ngasi kita 3 classes ye. Pada tensi lagi. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.